Day trading is an independent profession in which the goal is to apply technical analysis rules by buying stocks cheaply and selling them back at a higher price. Day traders should not be confused with investors. While both buy and sell stocks, investors, in contrast to traders, do not try to earn their living from the market. A day trader plans in advance how much money to risk with each trade, whereas the investor may, during tough times, discover that most of his or her money has evaporated. Day traders sleep peacefully knowing that most of their money is in cash, whereas the investor is continually exposed to market fluctuations. This distinction can be drawn in many other fields of business. An art dealer, for example, behaves much differently than an art collector. The art dealer will not buy famous paintings and store them in a safe for decades in the hope that their value will rise. The art dealer buys a painting only if he or she sees some profit potential in a short-term sale. Like all of us, the art dealer needs to pay a mortgage, put food on the table, and cover other living expenses. The day trader is just like the art dealer. Both buy and sell in order to create the profit that provides for their livelihood. Professional day traders buy stocks at a price they know is too low, with the intent of selling at a price they know is too high. Day traders sometimes make mistakes, but the ones who succeed more often than they err can make a living from the profession. As day traders, our goal is to succeed in about 65% of the trades that we make over time. Day trading is simple in concept, but difficult to implement. It's simple because the rules of technical analysis are easy to understand. It's difficult because it requires us to overcome the psychological inhibitors of fear and greed. Finally, it's important to note that day trading is both a science and an art. A winning trader is one who is able to apply the rules of technical analysis in creative ways that result in profitable day trading strategies. A day trader who uses only technical analysis will not be successful. If that's all that was needed, engineers and accountants would be the most successful day trader.